Hey guys, what is up? How are you guys doing? So I'm here with another video, and this is another short that I'm doing. So I got something today, and I was wondering, I'm doing another guess what it is video, I guess. So here it is, and tell me what you think it is. Down in the comment section. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll show you the thing right here. Yep, there you go. Guess what it is down in the descriptions. And also, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to get notified when I upload. Bye guys, thank you.